Oh, hello and welcome. It's time to make food for the day. And I'm your host, the Awful Chef. So, what have we got? Something simple. First of all, our main dish is nutritionally healthy, but somewhat incomplete, so we have a salad. Oh yeah. We have cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, salt, pepper, oil, vinegar, a little dried oregano, and the magic ingredient, some French-style mustard. Mix that all up. Mix that up ahead of time. You know, give the vinegar a chance to pickle the onions and make everything play nice together. Our main dinner tonight is something very nice, and it's almost a bean casserole, if you will. I talked in other cultures that parsley, yes, this is parsley, as you can see, there's quite a bit of that, is sometimes used as a vegetable, and this is one of those cases. And I have forgotten, of course, the most important thing today: a bowl. So, what do I got? I got lentils. Cup of lentils cooked in chicken stock. 2-to-1. It's cold. But yeah, lentils cooked in chicken stock. That's some pretty good stuff. I got fried garlic. Ooh. That's a lot of garlic cut thin and then fried up in some oil, just for fun, with a shallot. That's nice. I got some Labne. Gesundheit. It's basically a thick yogurt. If you can't find Labne, or you're just playing around, go ahead and use just plain Greek yogurt. So let's start with this. Our labne is going to be the topping. The dressing on a yogurt salad, or pardon me, a lentil salad. So there goes labne. There goes the juice of half a lemon. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Okay, and that is going to be a challenge to mix. La 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 la. Watch me mix. Yeah, I knew. When I was growing up, that I wanted to have my back to the camera stirring a bowl of basically rotten milk, also known as yogurt, or in this case, labne. Okay, how does that taste? Well, delightfully. I only cook for myself and Mrs. Chef, so I have the privilege of being able to just taste directly from the bowl. That's different. Okay. So, into the lentils, I throw lemon zest. I zested the lemon into some olive oil earlier. And set that aside. So yes, lemon lentils, lemon labne. And I also have the juice of the other half of the lemon to go into the lentils. So, lentils cooked in chicken stock, in and of themselves, are very good. Not exactly what you'd call a fully rounded meal, but very nice to just enjoy. Okay, how do we look? Oh, that is very nice. So, lentils cooked in chicken stock, zest of a lemon, juice of half a lemon, a lot of parsley, yogurt or labne, depending upon what you can find at your store reasonably, and the juice of half a lemon, salt and pepper, a lot of parsley, and fried garlic. Let's turn this into something edible. So, lentils. Let's put a layer of those down here. A layer of parsley. That's right, this is a lot of parsley. It's a very parsley heavy dish. And now another layer of lentils. Oh yes, I've forgotten our game. I'm out of practice. Okay, I am literally burying the parsley in lentils, creating an out-and-out, almost geological strata. So let me show you what we got. I know, on that camera that looks terribly attractive, doesn't it? It's actually quite magnificent. Oh, and by the way, chicken stock to you at home. So, we now top this. You'll notice that all of these ingredients are cold, by the way. We now top this with the yogurt cheese mixture. And now, some fried garlic and shallot. And there we have the beans for the evening. Again, this is with the salad of onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers, salt, pepper, oil, vinegar, dried oregano, French mustard. And we will be having that with grilled flatbread, also known as tortillas, oiled and grilled on a griddle pan. So that's it. This is social media. Please do that social thing and subscribe. I am what my wife calls the awful chef, and this is Daily Food. Thank you and goodbye.